What's up? This is Terrell with 7 Kingz Trading 101, and this is just going to be a follow-up video on the accepting the challenge basically from Sean Jantz and his BTG charting. He claims that he has the best charting out there, and I beg to differ. I believe 7 Kingz Trading 101 has the best charting, not only due to our accuracy on a daily basis, but the simplicity of our system and the additional tools that we give you to help you with a lot of the decision making. He likes to talk about indicators as if they're a bad thing, but I believe anything that takes the psychological stress out of trading is a good thing, and our indicators along with our system do that. And so, um, just to get into the video, real quick. This is because I always like to point out we do send out our charts the day before. We get them ready the day before. We send them out to our members, or we'll be sending them out to our members. We don't send out a game plan video like our competitors. The reason for that is because we don't need to. Once we explain how our charting works, um, it's it's as simple as that. If we sent out a video every night, the video would be very redundant. And so, um, again, just to recap from the previous video, when we get to our targets, we're either looking for breakthroughs to the next target or we're looking for reversals. Simple as that. If price gets beyond our target and closes on the other side, 9 times out of 10, it's going to continue on to the next target. If it does not break through, it is going to reverse or stall out until it does one or the other. And so it's as simple as that. And so we don't have to send out a video to explain that every single night. Once you know that, that's all you need to know. And so as you can see, March 4th, 4:55, that was Sunday yesterday, and today is March 5th. As you can see, it's 6:30. We do have charts ready for tomorrow already, just in case you're wondering. But just for the sake of the video, we do have our charts still from today. So, and just to kind of get a normal view, because those were just scrunched up views, so you could see that it is the same charts. But just to kind of get a regular view, today was a very bullish day, as you could see, on all of our charts. Pretty much everything just kind of went sideways. For the most part, during the London session, it did kind of get a little bearish. But for the most part, everything kind of got back to the medium before it decided to make its move. On NQ, it was the only one that once the market did open up for the US session, it did kind of go down to our bearish target to the bottom, as you can see, to the T, and then it made its way up. But for the rest of them, it kind of just, from the medium, it went ahead and made its way up, as you can see. And so, that being said, we're not gonna go over again all of that, because in the previous challenge video we did explain how our targets work. And so in this video, we're just gonna focus on the two charts that we took our early signals from, just to show you how our indicators work, and yeah, just how simple the system is when you get it together. And so, again, as you know, once you get to the target, from what I just explained, and if you watch the first challenge video, we explained that when we get to our targets, we look for it to either break through and close on the other side. And if it does that, we expect it to go to the next target 9 times out of 10. And as you can see, in both cases, it did that. And so, but when we're in our neutral zone, which is where we start out every single day, in our neutral zone, just to bring up a chart for tomorrow. As you can see, price is right in the middle of our bullish and bearish targets. And so when we're in our neutral zone, we do look for signals from our cloud indicator right here. This is our cloud system. We have our cloud indicator here, and then we have our 7 Kingz Moku cloud indicator down here. This generates signals on our chart, and this helps filter those signals. And so whenever our Chiku line is above our cloud, which it is right now, we only take bullish signals. Whenever our Chiku line gets below our cloud, we only take bearish signals. If the Chiku line is in the cloud, like it was at this point right here, we take no signals at all. And so simple rules to follow, easy stuff. And so as you can see this morning on the Russell, we got our first signal at 6 o'clock right before the US session opened up. We got our first signal there. If we were to go 26 bars back, that would be right here. And as you can see, right here, as you can see, our Chiku line is above the cloud. So that signal we don't take, and that keeps us out of a bad trade. And so same situation over here. We get our first signal at 6 o'clock. We go, okay, get the right tool out. So 26 bars back would be right here. And so we're inside of our cloud, almost above it, but we're inside it. And so either way, we can't take either one of these signals. And so as you can see, that's how the system works. Simple as that. Now we get our next signal here. We go to the bar previous to it, and the Chiku line is above the cloud. We could go ahead and take that signal. And that's going to be the situation here. Now, one thing that I do want to point out, just so that for anybody that's wondering, when we get our signals, the signals are generated from the close of the previous bar, the previous candlestick. And so the signals will never repaint. Once this candlestick closed, it generated this signal right here. And so because of that, the relationship between the two is set. Once this closes, this will never disappear, so the signal will never disappear. And that means the signal comes real time. So as soon as this closes, you're ready, you're alerted so that you can get into the trade immediately. So once we get our signals, if the Moku tells us that everything is okay, then we go ahead and get in, and our next our profit target is going to be our first target up here. And as you can see, that's an easy trade. We got the same situation over here. We got our signal there. If we were to go to our Moku cloud, as you can see, this bar generated this signal. That's when we would have been alerted. Price was here. Our Moku, our Chiku line was above our Moku cloud here. And so another easy trade. And so from there to there was 250 ticks. So any spread you could have maxed out. And from there to there was 78 ticks. And so two easy trades. And then as you can see, just pointing out the accuracy that price loves our targets. Everything just kind of stalled out right in between them after hitting them with just extreme accuracy. So anyway, we'll go ahead and finish this video up. We're not going to drag it on too long. Just wanted to point out just a couple of more reasons why our charting system is better than anyone else's out there. We have proprietary indicators that are very user friendly, very easy to read, and we supply these to all of our members that will be signing up. And then we send you the daily targets every single day along with the indicators and the targets. It's easy to get into these trades and easy to be successful at trading. And then if you do want to sign up for the course itself to learn how to do all the stuff on your own, we do teach the course so that you can be independent if you want to learn. So again, I believe just everything that we offer makes us better. And so simple as that. And so I'll go ahead and end the video now. This is Terrell with 7 Kingz Trading 101. Our courses are better than, or excuse me, our charts are better than anyone else's out there. Hey, and our courses are too. So that wasn't an accident. That was just me being, I guess, naturally honest. And so anyway, I'll go ahead and sign out now. Again, Terrell with 7 Kingz Trading 101. Everyone have a wonderful day.